This video is sponsored by Value Testers. For a complete line of HVAC specialty work-related tools, biggest selection, and best pricing. When you need to upgrade your tools, think Value Testers. Create a free login for best pricing. Link in description below.
Good afternoon, guys. It is Wednesday, June 20th, 2018. I'm just going to do a little follow-up on that video I did on June 15th, that fieldpiece BG36 tool bag giveaway. The registration is going to stay open until the 30th, which you have 10 more days to register. And July 2nd, which is on a Monday, they're going to do the drawing. And Tuesday, July 3rd, the winner will be announced. To let me know, and I'll announce the winner. There's a couple of things you have to do to apply for the giveaway. I'm going to link everything in the description down below, and it's also linked into the June 15th fieldpiece BG36 giveaway. It's all in the link under that video, and I'm going to do the same thing. What you have to do is you have to go to their website, valuetesters.com, which will be in the description, and you have to set up a free login account type of thing, and you go in there and you know HVAC, plumbing, electrical, or whatever basically is your forte. You got to click on that, and then you have to send an email to service@valuetesters.com. Title: Mama Giveaway. So it's Mama Giveaway is what you have to put there. And once they get those two things, they'll put your name on the list, and you'll be eligible for that. It's a nice little tool bag, like an inspection type of tool bag. It's very nice. It's a field piece. Nice little setup. But anyway, I should have probably put all the information in that other video, but the guy just sent me an email today and said they got until the end of the month to apply for it. So I figured I'd do a quick little vlog and get all the information out to you guys. If you're interested in the tool bag, go ahead and sign up for it. And this is the first time I've done a giveaway with this company, and they basically took care of the giveaway. So next time, it'll go a lot smoother, I'm sure. But anyway, just wanted to do a quick little update on that. And I should be getting my truck back Friday. I was supposed to get it back yesterday and today, and now it's Friday. So been without a truck for a while. Not easy. But anyway, guys, more videos to come. I just kind of caged it off here for these guys. Let them eat some grass. Hopefully they don't jump out. I'm going to be around a little bit, so. Hear the crows. I put different tires on the Taylor Dunn, some newer ones. And I cut that rim a little bit with a Sawzall.